experiencing issues with Straight Talk Wi-Fi calling? First, ensure E911 address registration is complete. FCC mandates require it, and failure disables the feature. Also, verify VoLTE is enabled in your phone's cellular settings. If issues persist, toggle VoLTE off and on. Confirm your device is compatible. Most post-2015 models are, and unlocked. Outages in rural areas may result from weak cellular signals. Try moving closer to a window or outside if possible. Straight Talk users on Verizon may experience fewer outages than on AT&T. If possible, switch to Verizon towers if available. For advanced troubleshooting, check your carrier settings and APN. Straight Talk uses specific APNs like TF data for Verizon. Incorrect settings can cause authentication errors. Reset network settings in your phone's general settings. This can help with configuration issues. Update your carrier profile via the device's carrier update feature through iTunes. Use Straight Talk's app for automatic diagnostics. It resolves 70% of issues with software patches. Ensure your Wi-Fi security, WPA3 preferred, isn't blocking ports 500, 4500 for SIP traffic. For severe cases, consider a factory reset or contacting Straight Talk support if SIM card corruption is suspected.